Hi, good morning, girls. Dottie, what is that all over your beak? Oh my goodness, Dottie. Thank you. That was a nice little show. Dottie, what is that all over your beak? Dottie, your beak is all muddy. I'm not letting you stick your beak in my container like that mud all over it. No. Boom. 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 Nope, you can't have. Nope. Nope. You want to catch? Okay, catch. Oop, drop my glasses. Okay, you want to catch? Catch. Catch. Okay, catch. Okay. I don't know if I trust you enough to let my hand in there. So I'm going to pour a little food. There you go, Daddy. Oh my goodness, girl. Okay, let me set it down. Catch it under that little part of the fence there so it stays. Yay. Oh my goodness, girls. Oh. Isn't that nice? They're so peaceful. I just want to make sure I get it all in frame. Oh, this is so sweet, you guys. There's a fly on my wrist. Yick! Caca! Oh. I made it go away. I'm on guard for it now. I'm just trying to get all of you in. Let's move that. Let's move that. I can get my glasses later. Oh, girls. I just love you. You're so peaceful. And look, there's Mutt and Spheff. No, I don't mean to have named them already, but it just sort of fit, you know? Those names aren't permanent. Not at all. Not by any stretch of the imagination. But those two seem to show up together, those two chickens. They must be friends in the chicken world. You guys almost done with that, huh? Look at your beak, girl. It's so muddy. And the waddle's sticking her head all the way. Where's Bobby? Is Bobby sitting on the eggs? Now, whose eggs are they? Are they yours, Dottie, or are they Bobby or Waddle's here? Whose eggs? We have a lot of questions, you know. Yes, we do. Oh, and the flies are going after the vegetable matter in those bowls over there. That's one of the reasons why the girls probably don't want to eat them. But they have been eating them. I got some footage of that. Okay, girls, let's end this out because everybody out there in Facebook land has a lot to do today. And it is peaceful to watch you, but you guys are almost done. All right, everyone. Have a wonderful day, all right? And I'm just going to carefully hit the button. If I can see it in the sun here. Dottie, say goodbye. Dottie. Dottie. Say goodbye. Let's see, they don't know their names. Hi, Mr. Blue Jay. Oh, you see, things are always happening in the Klug Kingdom. That's how you pronounce our name. A lot of you probably have been wondering, oh, Klug. No, it's Klug. Okay? Just so you know. I'm sure you feel better now. Righty-o, bye-bye.